Hello student, I am Prachi. Today's topic is practicals of maintenance of electrical equipment. So the practical number 9 is that aim is that determine efficiencies and regulations by back-to-back test on two identical single-phase transformer. The apparatus that are used for performing these experiments are single-phase AC supply, two transformer, 2 voltmeter, 2 ammeter and 2 wattmeter. And this is the circuit diagram for the determine efficiency and regulation by back-to-back test on two identical single-phase transformer. So this is the aim, COs, apparatus and the procedure. Procedure is that first make the connections as shown in circuit, then initially keep switch S in open condition. Then third is the switch on the supply and check the correctionless of polarities of the supply and check to transformer by measuring voltage across switch. Practical number 8957 I already uploaded in the channel, so visit it. And the observation table and then the calculation. Observation table right after the performing experiment. Then the last is the result. The 4, 5 and 6, these are points in the procedure. Means fourth point is note the reading of voltage, current and power. Now increase the voltage of auxiliary transformer gradually so that full load current flows. 6 is note down V2, I2 and W2. While doing so, the value shown by V1, I1 and W1 should not deviate from their earlier reading. So the result is that by performing back-to-back test on two identical single-phase transformers, we have obtained regulation and efficiency. So this is the result of this practical. Then the precaution to be followed: don't touch the wire with wet hand, don't do all the connections tightly. Third is do not join the wire to connect the two or more than 2 wires. Then the practical number 10 is that aim is that prepare troubleshooting chart for 3-phase transformer. So the practical outcomes are maintain single phase and 3-phase transformer. Troubleshooting chart for transformer is that first in box is the troubles, then the possibility of cause, then third is the test and remedies. First is insulation resistance between care, possibility of causes are overheating, moisture entry, lightning and switching surges. Then the test and remedies are check transformer oil, second is dry the transformer, and when lightning and switching surges, then remedies are check series reactors lightning arrestor. Then second is troubles is humming noise. Then possibility causes are loose stamping and fitting. So the test and remedies are check and tighten the nut bolts and stamping. Then third is the rusting of tank. Possibility causes are oil might hearing more acidity, and test and remedies are take acidity test on oil, and second is oil activated ammonium. Fourth is local heating. So the causes are excessive eddy current, and remedies are check core clamping, bolt not fitting. Fifth is low secondary voltage. Causes are wrong tapping selection. Remedies are adjust the voltage with correct selection of tapping. Then sixth is unequal heating band of M connection, transformer with earth neutral. So the causes are maybe due to internal external earth fault on one of the phase. Remedies are locate the fault and repair the same. Seventh is low secondary voltage. So the causes are wrong tapping selection is repeated. Eighth is in case of three-phase transformer unequal phase voltage, then the causes are maybe due to internal external earth fault, and the remedies are locate the fault and repair. So this is the practical number 10. And next is the result. That is in this practical we prepare a troubleshooting chart for this three-phase transformer. So this is the result of practical number practical number 10. And then the practical number 11 aim is that determine the dielectric strength of transformer oil. So this is we see in the next lecture, practical number 11 and 12. So to this, thank you.